You're not going to believe me when I say this, but did you know that the Timus Connect app doesn't require any configuration on the user side? I know, it's hard to believe when most apps require some sort of IP or domain to input, but no, you heard me right. All the user has to do is install the app and sign in. That's it. Don't believe me? Okay, since you won't let up, I'll show you. The Timus agent can be found in a few places. First, the Timus Manager download section will always provide you with the latest version of the app. Since I'm installing on Mac, I can use the Mac OS package listed here. Alternatively, one can go to our website and find the package there as well under the Resources tab in Documents and Downloads. From there, all they need to do is accept the EULA and download. For this video, however, I'll be using the silent install script that we provide to our partners for easy installation via RMM. I'm just going to plug it into the terminal for the purposes of this video, though. So, plugged in my script, I'm going to hit enter, and then I'll go ahead and put in my sudo password, and we'll let it run. We'll give that a few minutes. Once the application's installed, all I need to do is sign in with my Timus mapped email address and password. So I'll accept the EULA, put in my password. Now all I need to do is connect. No configuration required.